Hey YouTube, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we've actually got the Oho Sunshine glasses. I don't know if you guys have seen this around or not. I got this as a gift over the holidays and I decided it was time to pop this sucker open and share with you guys. I'm not gonna go through the setup. Maybe I might, I don't know, we'll see how things goes. But apparently these glasses, it can record on your face, and the camera is supposed to be in the middle and it's very small, so it's hardly noticeable. So if you're into that like spyware, sneaky kind of stuff, you may find this interesting or not. But I don't know if there's any sort of blinking indication or any lights or anything like that that lets someone else knows. I know the Ray-Bans have that. These look like a knockoff version or a more sneakier version. You be the judge, you tell me. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. The Oho sunglasses. All right. Oho Sunshine video sunglasses. Made in China, new. So right off the back, I can tell this case is pretty sturdy. That's nice to know. In case you're traveling, or it comes with a little strap here. You can tie it on, and you can get a little rough. You'll be protected. So good case quality. Let's see the goodies in here now. So these are the actual glasses. Cool. Comes with a USB adapter, and then this is what the other part of the USB looks like. I don't remember the name of the whatever the hell you call this connection, but you guys get the idea. That's what you're using. We got a little diagram here. Red LED, blue LED, reset button, USB port, on/off button. Great. Before use, operation, turning off. It's good stuff in here. User manual, yep. We'll reference back to this diagram here in a bit. Let's put this on the side. See what other goodies comes. Okay, so you got these lenses you can change out. Okay, cool. So that's a clear pair. And then these are the orangish yellowish. Okay, cool. And you got a pair of like blue. Ooh, fancy. Oho Sunshine. Support. A little cloth to clean the glasses. All right. Great. And now the actual glasses itself. The carrying case is nice material. Feels silky, high quality. Wow. There's a camera right there. It says Oho on the side. And then Oho on the other side too, so both sides. So let's go back to our little reference here. So holding it like this, you've got a red LED and a blue LED somewhere up here. I can't see any LEDs, but I do see the button down here, the on and off button, and then the USB port right here. Show you there, that's what it looks like. So that's probably how you transfer and charge and set up on and off. And that's the front of it right here. So the camera is a bit noticeable if you're really looking, but not too bad, I guess. Not bad, it does feel a little heavy. Sturdy enough. And these are the lenses on right now. You can swap out for whatever you'd like. Cool. All right, stay tuned. We'll try this on. Get some actual footage and feedback. If you guys did enjoy it, do me a favor, hit that like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks. I'll see you guys later.